Hello everyone, welcome to our Python basics session over here. In this session I'll be explaining you basics about Python, which can be used for normal development programming, or you can use it in our AI/ML future courses also, where you will need a Python understanding in order to create models or train the model or applying or somewhere like those kind of stuff where everywhere Python is nowadays required. So let's start it with it. First code that I'm presenting to you is about printing hello world. So here you can run this. Use Python 3.14 and it is running. So this print statement is used to print some of the data or some information. So whatever here we have provided one string named as hello world. So it print as hello world. You can print out your name or anything like hi, my name, my name is. It will print you exact string whatever you have provided as an input. You can also print some of the numbers also. You just type the number and it will print you number. Now there are different variables and data types are supported. So this is a variable name and this is what data. So in Python, they not like C, you need to provide upfront that what kind of data the variable stores. Here based on the variable, based on the data you store, variable can be of that type. So let's say that here we have stored a string Alice inside the name. So that name is our for string variable for us. Similarly for integer, 5.6 is a float value and true is a boolean value. If I run this, you see that first one is my string, second one is the integer, third one is float, and fourth one is a boolean. So that way a user need not to worry about declaring a variable, what type of values it can be stored or what value it will have. And even you can change also. So let's say that name has been string. Now here I am changing name equals to 12. Now you see it will become of integer. See? So previously it was of string. Now it has become an integer. So user can save any data into any variables, and that variable will be converted to that type. So that Python provides us the freedom and not to worry about what kind of variable you will declare, what kind of values you will store. You will not to worry about it. In the third cell, we will look into string formatting. So yes, you see, my name is Alice and I am 25 years old. So these two variables have been embedded into string with this string formatting method. So F and starting quote and whatever string you want to put it over here, and the end quote. And in between you can use your variable values to be printed over here. It can be anything. You can print float value also. So let me put it by weight equals to 66.5 kilograms. Okay, alright, and my weight is curly braces, variable name, and units. So 1 kg. You see, print a float as well. So that way you can print your variable, or you can create a string out of your variables by some meaningful categories, providing them some annotation. Okay, let's look in the next file, which is about basic arithmetic operations. Okay? So Python supports these basic arithmetic operations, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo, and power. So what happens in the floor division, and floor division is that in division you will get a float value, whereas in the floor division you will get a floor value. So if it is 3.3, it will give you a 3 value. For the modulo, you know that it gives you the modulus operation, that if 4 divided by 3, then it will give you 1 value. In power, it will definitely 10 raised to 3, so that value gives us 1000. Next one is the user input. Can take an input from the user. So let me run this. This is important. See, it is asking me to enter my name. I'm putting my name as Alice. Okay. Over here, print hello, and let's run it one more time. I'll put India over here. Okay, now it prints hello India. So that way you can take an input from the users, and based on that your code can be here. So that's all from my side for the Python basics. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.